So, welcome, boys, in your science class. Today, in science class, we are going to complete our Unit 5, Lesson 1. The name of Unit 5 is Light, and name of Lesson 1 is Light Source. That is on page 120 to 123. Here, light sources. We have studied different types of light sources in our previous class. There are flashlights, there are fireworks, moon, candle, different things that we have studied about light sources. Moving on to the next here, a light source make light. What does a light source do? A light source make light. At night, street light gives us light. In the daytime, we get most of our light from the sun. Never look at the sun as it will hurt your eyes. So you should not see directly towards the sun because heat and light of the sun can damage your eyes. Light sources can be flames, electric lights, TVs, and computer screens. The light from a light source shines onto the things which we can then see. Here are things you can see: fire, bulb, television, monitor, moon. Then we have a jacket that reflects light, and we have a mirror of a building that also reflects light. Some materials reflect light which do not make light. They reflect light from a light source such as a flashlight. You can see moon. Moon is not a source of light. What does it do? It reflects light. And this jacket also reflects light, and the mirror in the window reflects light. The things in these picture are not light sources. The moon reflects light from the sun. Moon does not have its own light, so what does it do? It takes light from the sun. Okay, here are things that reflects light. Glass reflects light. What does glass do? Glass does not have its own light. So what glass do? Reflect light. Glass reflect light. It is not a light source. Materials which reflect a lot of light look bright, like this jacket. When you go in the night outside on a bicycle, you should wear reflecting jacket. Why? So that a people or person or a vehicle that is coming from the other side can see you coming. Okay. What about the sea? The sea reflects light. You can see here the sun is giving light and the sea is reflecting light. What does the sea is doing? The sea is reflecting light. Okay, question number 1. Make a list of all the different light sources in the picture. So we have fire, light in the windows, street light, car headlights, bicycle lights, stars, and torch. These are the light sources. Okay, then we have studied and written it in our notebook. What is a light source? A light source makes light. Light sources: the sun, fire, electric lights, TV screen, a torch. Not a light source. What is not a light source? The moon, mirrors, water. They reflect light from a light source. What does they do? They take light from the light source. Okay. Moving on to next page. Activity 1. Is this a light source? Look at these objects. Here are 4 things. So the first one, aluminum foil, is it a light source? No, not a light source. Mirror, a light source? No, mirror reflects light. So mirror is not a light source. What is the light source? Tablet of the computer is light source and candle is a light source. Okay, moving on to the next page. Here, activity number 2. Look at so many light sources. Look at the objects around your school. Ask the question, is this a light source? Record your answers in a table like this. Number 1, door. Door is a light source? No. Chair. Chair is a light source? No. Lamp is a light source? Yes. Desk is a light source? No. Find the light sources powered by electricity. Yes, because electric lights are not a fire hazard. Are the most light sources in school powered by electricity? Candle in a school could be very dangerous. So what we use light bulbs, those bulbs that work with electricity. We have many light sources. Some are brighter than others. Question number 2, look at these light sources. Which is brightest? So the floodlights are the brightest. Which is least bright? The candle are the least bright and the floodlights are the brightest. So in the activity, look at the picture, draw the circles around the light sources. The first one is street light, flame, flashlight, and lamp.